On this video today, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that you can use it to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you the best offer that you can promote. I will also be showing you a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can be making money from home as a complete beginner. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. A CPA marketing network is a platform where you can find CPA offers to promote. There are a lot of different platforms where you can find CPA offers to promote. You can find CPA offers on Max Bounty, OGRs, CPA Lead, and many others. So any of the networks that you want, you can join. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, and the best part is that they have thousands of offers that you can choose to promote. So if you want, you can sign up for a CPA Group account. Once you sign up for a CPA Group account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see these are CPA offers that you can promote. They have a lot of different CPA offers on this platform that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. What you have to do is that you have to filter the CPA offers so that you can get offers with higher payout. As you can see on your screen, all these offers, the payout is very low. So if you promote them, once you get a lead, you are not going to be earning a lot of money. So you have to filter the offers so that we can get the ones that have higher payout. To filter the offers, you have to choose a specific country. There are countries where you can find offers with a higher payout, and some countries the offers have lower payout. In this case, we are going to select the United Kingdom because some of the offers have a higher payout. So search for United Kingdom. Once you search for it, you can see United Kingdom. Click on it. Once you click on the United Kingdom, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a lot of different offers. So what you have to do is that you have to look for offers that have higher payout. You can see the payouts. As you can see, a whole lot of them. The first one, you're going to be earning $4.37. The next one, you're going to be earning $2.22. But the offers, each of them have a specific requirements. So your potential visitors must take a specific action that meets the requirement so that you can be paid. The first one, the requirement is that your potential visitors have to install a mobile app. Once they install the mobile app, you are going to be paid $4.37. The next one, your potential visitors have to enter their email and zip code. Once they enter the email and zip code, they are going to stand the chance of winning £1,000 towards iPhone 15 Pro, and you are going to be paid $2.22. So you have to check the requirements before you promote it. You can see this offer right here. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter their credit card details so that they can start a boxer short trial, and you are going to be paid $6.42. So what you have to do is that you have to always check the requirements. In this case, you can see this offer right here. The payout is very high. You are going to be earning $10.27. Your potential visitors are required to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning £500 gift card. So once they enter that, you are going to be paid. You can see they are required to perform the action on an Apple iOS device. That is the device that they have to use so that they can perform the action for you to make money. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer. To promote it, just click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see there is a warning here. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in United Kingdom. So you have to promote it to people who live in the United Kingdom so that they can enter the required details for you to make money. You can see this is the description of the offer. So you can go ahead and then promote it. If you want, you can also select a tracking domain. So when you click on it, there are a lot of different tracking domains that you can select. Just select the one that you want. Once you select the tracking domain, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then take the required action for you to make money. So you can use the paid traffic source or you can use the free traffic source. The payout is very high, so if you use the paid traffic source, you will get a return on your investment. But in this case, I'm going to be showing you a free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is h1ad.com. On this website, you can post your ads for free, and the best part is that you can select any country that you want. You can see right here they have different countries. You can see the first one is United States, and you can see these are the cities. Any of the cities in the United States that you want, you can select it and then post your ad. Apart from the United States, when you scroll down, you see other countries. You can see they have Australia, so these are the cities in Australia that you can select. There are a lot of different countries that you can select. You can see they have Canada, and you can see the cities in Canada. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then post your ad. When you scroll down further, you can see United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, you can see these are the cities that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. So just select any country that you want. You can see they have India. As you can see it right here, India. So if you want to post your ad in India, you can select any of these cities. Now to post your ad, what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, click on my account. Once you click on it, you'll be able to register for an account. Once you click on it, you are going to see it like this. Scroll down and then click on sign up now so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish your ad for free. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select the ad type. So scroll down and then select individual. Once you select individual, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue so that you can be able to post your ad. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to select the category. You can see they have different categories. As you can see, a whole lot of different categories that you can select. Any of the categories that you want, you can click on it and then select it. You can see a whole lot of different categories. In this case, it is a gift card, so we just want to select any category that will get people to click on our link and then enter the required details. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of the categories. In this case, you can select electronics, so just click on it. We just want people to click on our applet link, so you can select any category. Once you select the category, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your ad and the description. To get a title for your ad, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, highlight and copy the title of the offer. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to highlight and copy the description. Once you highlight and copy the description, the next step is that you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once you have pasted your description, you can type a warning so that the people will know that it is allowed on only Apple iOS. So you can come back on CPA group. Once you come back, you can highlight and copy the warning. Just highlight and copy the warning. Once you highlight and copy the warning, you can paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in United Kingdom. So the people who will see your ad will know whether they are qualified or not. So paste a warning like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see like this. You can see they say address. So if you have an address, you can enter that. But in this case, you are not going to enter any address, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you are going to enter the price. You can see price. You have to select the currency and then enter the figure here. In this case, it is a giveaway, so enter 00. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to enter your name and your email address. Once you enter your email address and your name, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see company name, it is optional, just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see publish a listing. So scroll down and then enter the required details. Once you scroll down, you can see country. You have to select the country and the region. So click on it. Once you click on it, select any country that you are targeting. In this case, the offer is allowed in the United Kingdom, so select United Kingdom. Once you select the United Kingdom, the next step is that you are going to select the region. So you can click on it and then select any region in the United Kingdom. So just select any region that you want. Once you select the region, the next step is that you're going to select the city. So click on it and then select any city that you want. Once that is done, you're going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to upload images of the offer. To get an image of the offer, you can come back on CPA group, right click on the offer image. Once you right click on it, you're going to select save image so that you can see the image of the offer. Once you click on that, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the offer image, come back and click right here so that you can upload the offer image. So once you click on it, select your image, click on open, and the image has been uploaded. You can see it has been uploaded. Once that is done, you are going to enter a phone number right here. So you can enter a fake phone number, or if you want, you can enter your own number. In this case, I'm going to be using a fake number. So just search for this website, quack.io. Once you search for it, you can get free fake numbers that you can use to do whatever that you want. So as you can see, these are the numbers that you can use. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see the numbers. Apart from the United Kingdom, you can see other numbers that you can use. In this case, I'm going to select this number right here. So click on select. Once you click on select, you can see the number here. Click right here to copy it. Once you copy the number, what you have to do is that you have to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to agree to the terms of use and privacy policies. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see website URL. So this is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to come on CPA group and then click on copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see video URL. If you have a YouTube video, you can copy and paste the link right here, but in this case we are not going to do that. So click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see go ahead and click on submit button to complete posting an ad process. So you have to click right here submit so that your ad can be posted. So click on it. Once you click on it, your ad has been submitted to the website. You can see your listing has been received and it will be reviewed. So your ad has been submitted and they are going to review it. Once they review it, they are going to approve it so that it can run on the website for free. So make sure you go on CPA group, find different offers so that you can post them on this website for free. There are a lot of different offers on CPA group that you can select and then post them on the website for free. As you can see, I just searched for Switzerland and you can see the offers that are available in Switzerland. You can see most of them have a higher payout. You can see $20.53. That is the amount that you're going to earn if you get a lead. $5.48. That is the amount that you're going to earn if you get a lead. $10.78. That is the amount that you're going to get. There are many offers with higher payout. You can see $17.97 per every lead that you get. There are a lot of different offers, so just come back on CPA group, select an offer and go back on the website so that you can post it for free. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.